Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Mondelēz International. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Mondelēz International, a leader in the snacking industry, has just released its third quarter 2024 results. It's an exciting time to analyze their performance and strategic moves.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Mondelēz International reported net revenues of $9.2 billion for Q3 2024, a 1.9% increase from last year. However, the organic net revenue growth was a robust 5.4%. John, can you explain the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The organic growth was primarily driven by higher net pricing and a favorable volumes mix. Despite the divestiture of their developed market gum business, Mondelēz managed to maintain strong growth through strategic pricing and efficient distribution.
Interesting. Now, looking at profitability, the adjusted EPS rose significantly by 28.6% to 99 cents, while the diluted EPS saw a decline. What contributed to this mixed performance?
The decline in diluted EPS to 63 cents, down 12.5%, was mainly due to unfavorable mark-to-market impacts from currency and commodity derivatives and higher intangible asset impairment charges. However, the adjusted EPS benefited from strong operating gains, fewer shares outstanding, and lower interest expenses.
Operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Mondelēz reported a gross profit margin of 32.6%, a decrease of 610 basis points. Yet the adjusted operating income margin improved. How did they achieve this?
The decrease in gross profit margin was largely due to unfavorable changes in mark-to-market impacts and the divestiture of the gum business. However, the adjusted operating income margin increased to 18.9%, thanks to higher net pricing and lower manufacturing costs, driven by productivity improvements.
That's a significant improvement. Mondelēz also announced an acquisition of a majority stake in Everth. How does this fit into their strategic initiatives?
This acquisition aligns with Mondelēz's strategy to expand its portfolio in the fast-growing cakes and pastries segment, particularly in China. It allows them to leverage their iconic brands and distribution network to create more premium offerings.
Cash flow and capital return. Let's talk about cash flow. Mondelēz reported year-to-date cash from operating activities of $3.5 billion and free cash flow of $2.5 billion. How does this reflect on their financial health?
These figures indicate strong cash flow generation, which is crucial for sustaining operations and funding strategic initiatives. The robust free cash flow allows Mondelēz to reinvest in their business and return capital to shareholders.
Speaking of capital return, they returned $2.9 billion to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases. What does this say about their commitment to shareholders?
It demonstrates Mondelēz's commitment to delivering value to shareholders. By maintaining a strong capital return program, they are reinforcing investor confidence and supporting their stock price.
Future outlook and risks. Looking ahead, Mondelēz reaffirmed its outlook for 2024, expecting organic net revenue growth at the upper end of 3 to 5% and high single-digit adjusted EPS growth. What are the key drivers for this outlook?
The key drivers include continued focus on pricing strategies, expanding their product portfolio, and leveraging their global distribution network. However, they also anticipate some headwinds from currency translation and geopolitical uncertainties.
What are the major risks that could impact their future performance?
Geopolitical uncertainties, particularly in regions like Ukraine and the Middle East, and volatility in commodity prices are significant risks. Additionally, competitive pressures and changes in consumer preferences could also pose challenges.
Key takeaways. In summary, Mondelēz International has shown resilience with strong organic growth and strategic acquisitions, despite some challenges in profitability. Their focus on cash flow and shareholder returns remains robust. John, thank you for your insights today.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Mondelēz's performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Mondelēz's performance in the comments below. Until next time,